If Allah wrote you a letter today, it wouldn't start with what you've done wrong. It would start with how tired you actually are, the exhaustion you've been hiding behind a normal face. This video is that letter. Listen it slowly. You've smiled through days that were harder than anyone around you realized. You've said, "I'm fine," more times than you can count when you weren't. Allah says in the Quran, "O mankind, there has come to you instruction from your Lord and healing for what is in the breasts." This letter starts here because that healing was written specifically for what you've been silently carrying, not the version you show people, the real one underneath it. You might be waiting to feel ready before you let yourself heal, like you need to understand everything, forgive everyone, fix every mistake first. But healing was never meant to wait for perfect conditions. Allah reminds us. And if Allah should touch you with adversity, there is no remover of it except Him. That healing was never conditional on you arriving whole. It was offered to meet you exactly as tired and unfinished as you are right now. Somewhere along the way, you might have started believing that if you were truly close to Allah, this wouldn't feel so heavy. But exhaustion isn't proof of distance from Him. Some of the most sincere hearts are also the most tired ones, worn down, not by weak faith, but by carrying real weight while still choosing to show up. Being tired doesn't disqualify you from being loved. It's often exactly where His mercy meets you the closest. You don't need a grand gesture to receive this healing. Just stop tonight, put everything else down for a moment, and say it plainly. Ya Allah, I'm tired. Heal what I've been carrying. That's not weakness. That's exactly what this letter was written for you to finally say. This letter was written for your tired heart. Let it actually reach you. Comment, "I received it." If this was exactly what you needed today, and if someone you know is carrying more than they show, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.